Hey there. I just wanted to come in and let you know a discrepancy that I myself, as a big contributor of the community with the of dumpster divers, it is trash day, and I just wanted to let you know that, like, on account of our community, like, you put a lot of glass in your trash, and it's broken too, like wine bottles and stuff. It looks like someone just threw them in there. And well, this is a big issue, and for the community that I represent, like the dumpster divers, like, we can get hurt when we are going through it, and it's very dangerous, and I just thought you'd like to know that. But I just wanted to let you know that I do come in peace and respect, just to let you know, and hopefully you'll take this offering and kind of change your ways. Okay, and just let me know if that works out for you, and hopefully in the future it won't be a big issue on behalf of all of us. Okay, thank you. Oh, hey there.
Hello.
What's up?
Oh, I have a delivery for Michelle.
Oh, I can take it for her.
Okay.
Thank you. Picture real quick.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Oh, you too.